I do this for a living, you still getting used to it. It's all or nothing for my music, don't abuse it, lose it.
It's here, guys. It's finally here. These fools had the nerve to be late. I play hooky from work, so I can get my package. Let me show you what's inside. Let me get my knife. I got my knife. You helping out, bro? Let's see what's in here. You already know what it is. Let's do a quick unboxing, guys. Alright guys, there it is. There's a quick unboxing of the Mavic 2 Zoom. I'm hopefully going to get some flight time in tomorrow. I've got to get to work. Also, make a video over the reason why I chose the Zoom rather than the Mavic 2 Pro. But until the next time, guys, holla! $4. Scary, bro? It don't matter. Peace, y'all.